Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on ChatGPT. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issue of desktop on ChatGPT app, should just click settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window or to the app of ChatGPT and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.